Unfortunate to my channel and cutie side of Philippines cutie side citizens ID card. So kumuha nga ako ng ID, di ba pinost ko sa TikTok. So ang lalakarin ko na naman is registration to barangay para makakabuto ko sa sunod na election at makakuha na rin ako ng ID ko for voters kasi kailangan ko ng mga ID for travel to Masbate City and airplane. You know, it's a very hassle for public about yung sasakay ka ng kubo at ano ka ng mga bus, napakalayo na, tsaka it's very disgusting hard. So I very tough to control to me about what happened in personal life in the Philippines. Your president government, your almost lawyer, you know what, yung ID ko na yon talaga in-improve ko yun na gawin because in Quezon City where he's working, dito na rin ako nakatira. Kailangan makuha kong aking tax money and the Philippines government to America. But ever the China is worse. So, to contact me as BPI Bank, doon ang aking ATM para ibigay ng government ang aking money ransom. Kasi kung hindi sila kikilos, lahat ng aking ID magiging valid at i-reject ko talaga yan kahit pinaghirapan ko yan i-spilling or whatever the person because nga you're believe online but never person. That also damages for abandon again. So my expiry to I did Quezon City ID for citizens to working on your home address for location and around the Quezon City. So this is Quezon City ID. Kinuha ko nung June 2. So it's not online. Pumunta ako ng person because I don't have hard for everything. But as person is very okay. So I'm gonna online people for registration. So the Quezon City ID contracts 2025 years and valid until 2035. So I want the contraction for here kung saan natin magagamit to for just reward anything. So it's very hassle pero mabilis kayo makakuha pag mayroon kayong kakilala or for your kasi ang kapatid ng bus ang kaibigan ng bus ko doon talaga nag-work sa City Hall kaya siya ang dahilan kaya ako nakakuha ng Quezon City ID kaya mabilis ma-approve. Thank you for click and subscribe for all ID citizens part. Thank you so much. You know what happened to the president of all we're here? And there's a losing person. Thank you.